Imagine earning an income broadcasting your lifestyle and interacting with viewers on a live streaming app. Imagine growing your social platforms while networking with people all around the world. Imagine creating your own schedule and streaming from anywhere within Canada and the USA. Does this sound like something you would be interested in? The Honey Hive Talent Agency is looking for fun and outgoing individuals that love to be social and entertaining. Anyone from singers to dancers, musicians, influencers, vloggers, content creators, and actors can become a live streamer. Even if you do not have a talent or live streaming experience, you can still apply. The Honey Hive Talent Agency will teach you everything you need to know to become a successful broadcaster. It is required that you are 18 and over and can dedicate a minimum of 1 hour per day. If you have a positive attitude and are ready to learn more, apply now!